All right, guys. Today on Breakpoint, we're going to show you how to make smoked baby back ribs. What's up, guys? Today in Breakpoint, we're going to make some smoked ribs. So, check out our video for our rub. Should be listed below for you in the description. Straightforward, we're going to pat these babies down with our homemade rub. And then once we do that, we're going to bring them out to the smoker and we're going to put them on for you guys. And we'll see what the process with that is. We also made a homemade barbecue sauce that we're going to be using on these bad boys today. So check that also in the description below, okay? So everything is fresh. Everything is ready to go. Our meat is at room temperature. It's I can already smell it. We haven't put it in yet. So without further ado, we'll be right back. All right, guys. It's rub time. So I'm going to use some mustard for my binder. You don't have to go crazy with it, but don't be stingy. This is kind of messy, so you're going to get your hands dirty. This is barbecue. Coat that. And then we got our rub here. Like I said, our rub recipe is listed below for you. You should give it a shot. If you've never made your own rub before, you're going to see it's very simple and easy. You just have to make sure you have all the ingredients. So print it out, run to the store, write it down, whatever it takes, guys. Make it happen. You only live once, so you might as well eat good. Then we're gonna take this to the smoker. You see the color in here. You know, once the mustard mixes, you're starting to smell this. I'm already hungry. It just makes you wish that you were sitting down eating ribs already. Okay, so we have that, and then we're gonna be spritzing this with some. I don't know what it is yet. We have some choices. We have some fruit juices, so mango, peach, maybe pineapple, maybe apple. Whatever you like. You just buy whatever you want. You don't even have to spritz it, but we're gonna put our homemade barbecue sauce. We're gonna glaze it in the smoker as this is going. So just want to make sure everything's coated, folks. You see any bare spots? Coat it. Don't be scared to get your fingers all. Look at that. That's good stuff, though. You can wear gloves if you need to. But the sink, good old sink's just right next to me, so she's old faithful. She's never left me alone. I'll see you at the grill. Not bad. Get my binder on the back. And you have to remember, this is just the first layer of stuff we're doing because we still have barbecue sauce and we still have some juices, some fruit juices that we're going to put on here. We might even spritz some apple cider vinegar on here for a little bit of bang. So my barbecue sauce has vinegar in it, folks. You use ketchup. There's vinegar too, so it's tangy already. You can't go wrong with mustard and pork. It is delicious. All the people in the South know they love their mustard. I know I do. All right. So pat that in there. Then what I'm going to do is flip this over. And I'm going to crack some black pepper and some salt right on top of that. I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. Some sea salt. All right. Tons of flavor in this. And this pan here, earlier we made some homemade barbecue sauce. So we're going to glaze that. Like I said earlier, if you want to store this and use it as a condiment like you do your ketchup or your store-bought stuff, you're going to have to cook this on the stove, bring it to a simmer, and then once it cools down, put it into your storage container, and then you can use it. But for us, we're going to put it right into the smoker, and it's going to cook out. So we're just going to be in there for hours. So we'll see you there, folks. Okay, guys, we're at the smoker. We're going to break on Oklahoma Joe smoker. We're going to break that in today. So she's been cleaned up. We seasoned it last night. You can see she blackened out. You open it up, you can smell the smoke in there. Make sure you check out our video on that if you've never done it before, if you need a refresher. I'm going to load this bad boy up. And I noticed on the documentation on this Oklahoma, it's warning you not to put the coals. There's a grate in there, all right, that these coals go on, or your wood. Don't put them on the side wall, against the wall. You know, you don't want to mess up your smoker. I've seen them warn against that constantly. So I'm going to take these grates out real quick. So in other words, what I was saying, don't load your coals like that. See this grate here? We're gonna keep it on here like this. All right. And you want anywhere from 3 to 4 pounds of coals. All right, so we're gonna get these coals going. As you can see, they're lit, so we're gonna let those bad boys get hot. Check out the temperature over here. You can see we haven't started yet, but that will rise up to cooking temperature, and then we're gonna put those ribs right on. We'll be back. Okay, folks, so we got our apple wood out today. We got some southern pecan wood. We're gonna mix up in there as well. We got the ribs here. It's up to smoking temperature. We're about 250 right now. All right, and she's still heating up a little bit. So we're gonna put those ribs on. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's look at how beautiful those are. Let's see here. There we go. There's one. There's the other. All right. Now let's add some smoke. See, our coals are still getting up there. We'll start off something like this. All right, folks. That's a wrap. We're going to let this sit here for hours. Check on it. When we get to the basting part, we're going to add some barbecue sauce and we're going to spritz it with some probably mango and pineapple juice, peach juice, stuff like that. And we'll show you that process in a little while. See you there. Hey, folks, we're back to the smoker. It's been a few hours. We're going to check on these ribs and see how they're doing. I just added a few more pieces of wood and some more coal there. And that's what we're looking at. It's really smoky because we're smoking. But right now, I'm about to add some fresh barbecue sauce. We're going to start glazing this up. And we're going to juice it up with some mango, pineapple juice. We're going to just spritz it on when I'm done with this. Right here. But yeah, it's nice and smoky. This is our first time smoking on this unit. We just picked it up the other day. So if anybody hasn't seen the video, you can see a review. We're going to do product review on it and that type of stuff. So let's just see what I'm doing here. I'm just, oh yeah, you can hear that baby sizzling there. Move this to the back. Move this up here. Oh, I can get to it easy. Some dry rubs on there. Like I said, it's been cooking for 2 hours. Just been smoking just about 225, 235. At the beginning, it was about 250. I'll let it die down a little bit. But slow and steady is the goal here. This is the first time I'm adding barbecue sauce, and we have this barbecue sauce on our site. You want to give it a try. It's simple, really easy to make. It's in the description below. All right. There's that part done. Making sure we got plenty of sauce in there. All right. I'm going to close this bad boy up. Push this back just a little bit. And we'll see you in a few hours. All right, guys. Final touches here. We've got about 30 minutes to go. So we're going to hit this with some mango Vulture's grape juice. Not grape juice, but mango pineapple juice. We're just going to get it on there. Let that get happy with the barbecue sauce. All right. And we'll see you guys in an hour or 30 minutes or so. What's up, y'all? We're back. These back ribs have been going for about 4 hours. So let's just take a look and see what they look like. Yep. Nice and boy, that sure does look good. We're gonna bring those inside and we're gonna show you the taste test in a second. All right, guys, we're gonna cut into this. Brought it inside, got it off the grill, and let me see if I can even cut into this thing. Where's the bone at? There we go. That one down to the bottom. There's a bone right here. There we go. Yeah, come in here.
Show that smoke ring.
Check that out. She's not dried out. She's super smoky. We got barbecue. We got Welch's mango pineapple in there. So we're gonna just give it a little slab like that. We got some beans. Got some homemade bread. And we have baby back ribs, baby. That's how we do it. All right, guys. I hate to do this, but we're gonna have to taste this bad boy. So I'm just gonna pick it up and eat it. All right, here we go. Mmm. Yeah. That is some smoked heaven right there. So we broke in that Oklahoma barbecue pit we got. And I would have to say that this is very smoky. It did a great job. And it's very tender. It's very juicy, as you can see. Look at that. It's 4 hours of goodness. So hope you enjoy. Check out our links. We got the beans recipe. We have barbecue sauces. We have our rub. It's all in the description down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And always eat healthy. It's better for you.